Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 38, часть 2, страница 92-93, English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 38, part number 2, page number 92-93. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our walk. Open your books, please. Page number 92. 92. The stone flower. Listen and read the story. Каменный цветок. Послушай и прочитай историю. Begin to read. Katya answers, I don't want your stones. Please give me my Danila. Why did you take away the man I love? The mistress laughs at her. I did not take him away. He came to me. If you don't believe me, ask him yourself. Just then, Danila appears in front of them. Once again, tears fall down Katya's face. Danila looks at the girl he left 3 years ago. The mistress says, you must choose, Danila. If you go home with Katya, you will forget everything you learned in the mountain. If you stay here, you must forget her. Danila looks at his Katya and says, I'm sorry, but I can't forget the people I love. I think about Katya every minute of the day. Boys and girls, on your books, please. Page number 93. 93. Storyland. Exercise number 1. Who said the following sentences? Read the story again and answer. Кто говорит следующее предложение? Прочитай заново историю и ответь. Number 1. I don't want your stones. Number 1. The answer. Katya. Я не хочу твоих камней. Number 2. I did not take him away. He came to me. Number 2. The answer. The mistress. Я не забирала его, он пришел ко мне. Number 3. You must choose, Danila. Number 3. The answer. The mistress. Ты должен выбрать, Данила. Number 4. I'm sorry, but I can't forget the people I love. Number 4. The answer. Данила, извини, но я не могу забыть людей, которых люблю. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. What do you think will happen next? Tell the class. Choose from the following or use your own ideas. Как ты думаешь, что произойдет дальше? Расскажи классу. Выбери из предложенного или используй свою версию. Danila will go home with Katya. The answer. Danila пойдет домой с Катей. The next sentence. Danila will ask Katya to stay with him in the mountain. The answer. Данила попросит Катю остаться с ним на горе. The answer. I think Danila and Katya will go home. I think Danila chooses the mistress because he doesn't want to forget everything. I think Katya and Danila will go home and the mistress will be very angry. She will go after them. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давай споем. Choose Danila, choose today. Choose to go or choose to stay. Choose Danila, choose at last. Choose your future or choose your past. Choose Danila, choose to win. Choose to end or choose to begin. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.